Notability versus Evernote. Choosing the right note-taking app can completely change how you organize your thoughts without feeling overwhelmed. Today, we'll explore both options to help you decide which app suits your needs best. Notability and Evernote are popular note-taking applications, each with its unique features. The core difference lies in their approach. Notability excels in handwritten notes and audio recording, while Evernote focuses on text-based organization and cross-platform accessibility. Notability is a versatile note-taking app designed primarily for iOS and iPadOS. It allows users to create handwritten notes, type text, and record audio seamlessly. The app's intuitive interface makes it easy to organize notes into subjects and dividers. One of its standout features is the ability to annotate PDFs, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. Notability supports various file formats, allowing users to import images and documents easily. However, it is limited to Apple devices, which may deter users seeking cross-platform functionality. Ideal users include students who prefer handwritten notes and professionals who need to combine audio recordings with their written content. Evernote is a robust note-taking application available on multiple platforms, including iOS, Android, and desktop. It focuses on text-based notes, allowing users to create to-do lists, attach files, and click web articles directly from the browser. Evernote's organizational features, such as notebooks and tags, enable users to categorize their notes efficiently. One of its key strengths is the powerful search functionality, which can even recognize text within images. However, some users may find the interface less intuitive compared to Notability. The ideal user for Evernote includes professionals and individuals who require a comprehensive organizational system across various devices and formats. When comparing Notability and Evernote, consider your specific needs. For example, if you're a student who prefers taking handwritten notes during lectures, Notability's features like audio recording and PDF annotation will serve you well. On the other hand, if you need a powerful organizational tool for managing projects and tasks across devices, Evernote's text-centric approach and advanced search capabilities make it a better option. Both apps excel in their own areas. Notability is perfect for creative note-taking, while Evernote shines in structured organization. Your choice ultimately depends on whether you prioritize handwriting and audio integration or text management and cross-platform access. For users who favor handwritten notes and audio recordings, Notability is the clear recommendation. If you need a versatile cross-platform note-taking solution with strong organizational features, Evernote is the way to go. Choose the app that aligns with your workflow and elevate your note-taking experience today.